we have this Kenmore front load washer. It's not draining the water out. It's leaving the water completely inside the washer. It's been sitting there for a couple of days, so it's really smelly. And this one here, so it's not draining. It's not going into the spin cycle. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what's going on with it. More than likely, it's probably gonna be the pump here that's shot. It's not pumping all the water out. How bad this pump was. We took it apart and look at all this was in there, and that's the pump. That's bad. As you can see, it left the